If you're traveling to France and you're worried about your French, that it is not good enough, let me calm you down. You do not need to be fluent. You need about 10 sentences, and most people completely overestimate how much French they actually need. I am a language teacher. I've watched travelers freeze in cafés because they think they don't know enough French. They don't freeze because they lack vocabulary. They simply freeze because they don't know what's about to happen. The big lie. There's this idea that you need to learn French before you go. You don't. You need to handle moments. The airport, the hotel, the cafe, the train station. That's it. You're not going to France to give a speech. These are the 10 sentences that I recommend you learn. All right, number 1, bonjour. Okay, stretch out the jour. Okay, go ahead and try it. Bonjour, bonjour. Got it? Number 2, je voudrais. Je voudrais. That means I would like. For example, a cup of coffee. Je voudrais. Go ahead and say it. Je voudrais. Je voudrais. All right. Number 3, merci. Merci. Thank you. Merci. Go ahead and say it. Merci. Very good. Number 4, excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Excuse me. Excusez-moi. Go ahead and say it. That's right. Excusez-moi. Number 5, où est? Où est? Where is? Okay? Where is whatever hotel maybe? Où est? Okay? Number 6, l'addition s'il vous plaît. L'addition s'il vous plaît. The check please. L'addition s'il vous plaît. Go ahead and try it. L'addition s'il vous plaît. All right. Number 7, je ne comprends pas. Je ne comprends pas. I don't understand. Je ne comprends pas. Go ahead and say it. Je ne comprends pas. Very good. Je ne comprends pas. All right, number 8. Plus lentement, s'il vous plaît. Slower, please. Plus lentement, s'il vous plaît. Plus lentement, s'il vous plaît. All right. Plus lentement, s'il vous plaît. Number 9. C'est combien? C'est combien? How much is it? C'est combien? C'est combien? Very good. And the last one, number 10. Par carte. Par carte. That means I want to pay with a card. Par carte. Now, if you're paying with cash, you just hand them the cash. Par carte. Par carte. Very good. That's it. Now you can order food. You can ask directions. You can pay. You can slow somebody down. And you can basically survive your basic interactions. So the real scenario, okay, let's see what it actually looks like when, or sounds like, let's say, when you have an interaction in France. So you walk into a cafe and you say, bonjour. Don't ever forget to say bonjour whenever you walk into any kind of establishment. Start by saying bonjour. So the server comes over. You say, je voudrais un café. Je voudrais un café. Je voudrais un café. So they bring over your coffee. You enjoy it. And then when you're done, you want to say, l'addition, s'il vous plaît. L'addition, s'il vous plaît. L'addition, s'il vous plaît. So they bring your check over and you say, par carte. Par carte. Unless you want to pay with cash, you pay with cash. And then you say, merci. Merci. That's the entire interaction. You didn't need to be fluent in French to say that. You needed the structures. Now the question is, why do people freeze? People don't freeze because they don't know French. They freeze because they don't know what's about to happen. So if you recognize the situation and you have your one sentence ready, you can remain calm. You are not trying to impress anyone. You are trying to communicate. Fluency impresses people, but politeness opens doors, and you want your doors to open. If you can say bonjour and merci confidently, you are already ahead of most tourists. So this video series that I am creating right now has been based on, it will be based on a book that we wrote. It is called French for Travel. So I have the link, the Amazon link, in the description of this video and also in the comments. And if you would like to follow along in the book, you can. The book actually has a whole lot of useful vocabulary and sections in it and is not very expensive at all. So I recommend that you get it, but you certainly don't have to follow this series. So we're just having fun trying to get you ready for your trip. So how much French do you really need? Less than you actually think. So let me know in the comments below where you are traveling and when you're traveling. I would love to hear your travel plans and how much French you know. It's so interesting. So in the next video, I'll show you exactly what happens in the French cafe so you don't have to panic. We're going to order some more items at the cafe. All right, everybody, this is Camino Teacher, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And do like and subscribe.